Aw, you're kinda cute. Huh?
Achoo!
Oh,
One dragon sneezed later. Well, my heroSquad fans, it's your boy Nadir, the Electrohog, known as Nadir the Hedgehog, and thank you all for watching this awesome comic dub. And also be sure to check out the original creator of this comic down in the description box below. And thanks to Ethan also for voicing himself on his characters. So the voicers actually is me as baby Ethan and Ethan as himself. So yeah, and thank you all for your support, by the way, on this channel. And before I end this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you guys think of this comic. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, yeah, this is all. So thank you all for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye guys.